Hello and welcome to my locks. Are you looking for the best back to school cornrow braids for kids, toddlers, and little girls? In this video, we showcase simple, stylish, and easy to maintain natural hairstyles that are perfect for school days. From classic straight back cornrows to heart-shaped braids, side-parted designs, and beaded cornrow styles. These hairstyles will keep your child's hair neat, beautiful, and protected throughout the school term. Cornrow braids are one of the best protective hairstyles for kids. They are low maintenance, stylish, and perfect for school because they last long and keep the hair neat. Here are some adorable and creative cornrow styles you should try. Classic straight back cornrows. This timeless style is perfect for any school day. It's simple, elegant, and works well for both short and long hair. You can accessorize with beads or ribbons for a fun touch. Looking for something a little different? Side-parted cornrows add a stylish twist to the classic straight back look. This style is perfect for special school events or picture day. If your child loves unique styles, why not try heart-shaped or zigzag cornrows? These designs make the hairstyle fun and playful while still being school appropriate. For an extra cute and playful look, cornrows with puffs or ponytails are a great option. This style keeps the hair neat while allowing some volume for a fun, youthful vibe. Adding colorful beads to the ends of cornrows makes the hairstyle more exciting for kids. You can use different colors to match school outfits or favorite theme. There you have it, simple and beautiful back to school natural cornrow braids for kids, toddlers and little girls. These styles are protective, long-lasting and easy to maintain, ensuring your child looks adorable and confident for school. Which of the style is your favorite? I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing hairstyle ideas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing hairstyle ideas. See you in the next video.